me, huh? Because later on I don't remember it.
Yes, sir.
Later on I usually forget to share the document. Okay, so this is this. What is the second program? Knapsack 1. You people are coming offline from 22, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, happy now?
Sir,
Yes,
online,
sir.
sir. One more week.
No, sir.
Happy or not happy?
No, sir.
Happy, sir.
Want to come Bangalore.
Sir, no happy.
Achha,
No
some
happy,
people.
sir.
Acha, Gujarati
Sir,
people are not
desperate
happy,
to
huh?
come.
Those people who are from far away are not happy, huh?
No, sir, I am happy.
Mukesh is happy. Mukesh misses college. So
घर
do
पे
I.
इज्जत नहीं मिलती है ना सर,
Huh?
घर पे इज्जत नहीं रहती है ना ज्यादा दिन रुक जाने के बाद.
That is 110% correct. If you stay at home, you will lose your respect. If you are studying somewhere else, then सारे बोलेंगे सोना बाबू मेरा बेटा खाना खाया, right? घर पे रहोगे तो फिर डांट ही पड़ेगी. मैंने बोला था
But not
सब्जी
that
लेने के
true,
बजे
sir. I won't
Huh?
agree with that.
हाँ बेटा,
I won't agree with that. It's not that true.
you won't agree with that.
No.
You guys came in
That
exception,
means
no?
when
Sir,
you are
exception
not
case,
at
sir.
home also, you
Sir,
are not
exception
sitting on
case.
the respect, na?
Exception case.
Rajshri. Are nahi, she understood what I said. Even if she is not at home, she is not being asked by the family, beta khana khaya.
they
She's
they
not-
would know if they know that I'm not going to be hungry anymore. They know that she would eat anyways.
Acha. That can be true.
Yeah.
That can be true. If you are a mature and this kid, then parents usually do not care that much. If they know that the child is very much weak in every sense, then they would.
Yeah, if
Every
they
now
know
and then.
they are mature enough, they know their
अरे
limits, so
खाने
they
से
won't ask
क्या
you.
गुस्सा करना है?
खाने
सर
से
ये
क्या-
तो सिर्फ लड़के समझ सकते हैं।
चलो बेटा कोई मसला नहीं. Everything at its place. Rajesh,
मेरे
sorry,
बाबू
I'm
ने
not able to
थाना-
understand what you have texted. M Jaru Kunthenti Ikada. I don't know what it is. What is that?
What happened here, sir? That means.
Achha,
Sir,
what happened
told
here?
you what happened here.
Okay.
पूरा लोग हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं ना, उसका वो तेलुगु है ना.
Acha, you were not understanding, na? Oh,
Yeah,
that's
that's it, sir. That's it.
That's true.
वो मैसेज किया तेलुगु में.
Okay, nothing happened actually. We are talking about the thing that if you people stay at home, you will lose your respect. So join the college. Huh?
Sir, you can try it also Telugu, sir.
Likhita, who is Likhita? Any one of our students? Just 1 second here. Hello. You can come here. If you can come here, then it will be fine. 515 on 5th floor. Huh? Oh, sure. No issues. Come. Okay, beta log. We have good amount of time today. Tajamal sir is teaching in general as well as ISMS as well as SCT, na? Right? So he won't be taking the class. So we'll be taking the class. Let's take it real slow and real easy. Now we have reached to the end yesterday, right? We had reached to the end. How will be the results shown? How will be the results shown? For example, we yesterday saw that how we will compute it. We'll check the last value. Then we will go vertically up. After the last value does not match its previous value, then we go towards the left. Towards the left. The difference that would be there, that difference will be checked. So it will be 2, for example. So we'll go up again. Okay, there will be examples. there will be some examples also. Okay. There will be some examples also where you people will have to see the difference will be more than two values. This is two. This is a single item. There may be three items. There may be four items that we have to select. So this will be one of those items. Then we'll go up again. We'll go left again. Then there will be another item. Huh? So in that sense, you people will have to check this thing also. You understand this thing, what I am saying? We have two elements here only. We are selecting this 5. So the value from here, weight from here, yeah, beta come. And we are selecting the element number 2. Just one second. The element this profit number 2, and the element with it was 3 perhaps. Nah? It was 3 perhaps. Yeah. So we are selecting like that. But the main thing is that there might be 100 items. So we are selecting only 2 right now. Our bag may be having a capacity of 50 or 60. So we can be holding 10 items. We can be picking up 15 items. So how will you pick? You will check the maximum value. After that, you will find the difference, right? Add difference. We already saw like, let's move here. See, so this is the set of the items, nah? This is the set of the items. So out of these items, we will select it one by one, which of the items have to be put into the knapsack. Okay, just 1 second, you people hold. We have some guests here. Just let's talk to them first. How beta you please? Can you?
So actually, so it's like if you don't join tomorrow, your appointment will be, I mean, your offer letter will be disqualified.
No, we don't want that to happen.
Exactly,
Right.
sir.
You also don't want that to happen.
Yes.
Just do one thing, write one application to the head. Okay,
Okay.
both of you separate applications. Mention your whole condition in that we have to join tomorrow, and we have to work from 9 to 7 from this day to this day. So Saturday you are free.
Yes, yes, sir.
You just mentioned that, sir, we can join the college on Saturday. We'll complete our all assignments. We'll complete our this all case studies and exams, whatever will be. We'll keep the university at the first preference. If, for example, the company doesn't give you leave tomorrow for examination, for example, what would you prefer, examination or job? Of course, examination, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the same thing that you will have to put in the paper. Just complete that. Just give it to me. Okay. You can give it today, you can give it tomorrow, day after tomorrow also, no issues. After 22nd, after 22nd, the class will start.
Yes, sir.
You can give up to 22nd, we'll see about it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So what we'll do, like we'll come only on Saturday for colleges?
Yeah,
or-
only for Saturday. Saturday you might come. It will depend upon the faculty then.
Okay.
Okay, I'll talk to your faculties
So
also.
the thing is, if we get
The Saturdays let it be online, sir.
so that we'll
These are
start-
third semester, Monish, not yours.
like if we get the
Huh?
of study material, we can manage it, sir. That's it. That's all we want.
But Saturdays you will have to
Yeah,
visit. Huh?
sir. Sure, we'll attend
No,
the classes.
I got that thing. If you people have been placed in a good company, then we got that idea from Pawan sir. Just sir, 1 second, please. So sir is also the in charge of the placement from the department, huh? So if you people, these are sir, 2 students that have been placed in one good company with a good
Actually,
package.
there are still more 3 to 4 members, sir. I think so. They'll be coming on 22nd.
All
There are more
3 to
people.
4
Yeah.
members with you
Yes, sir.
in the
How
same
many?
company.
Yes, sir.
Just tell them the same procedure. Tell them to do the same thing.
Because only thing is they're out of state, like out of state, they are
Ah.
not able to come today. I think so.
No.
They'll be coming on 21st or 22nd.
Our first and foremost priority is that you learn, okay, and after that you should be able to apply that learning somewhere. You should be earning your livelihood. So now you have learned, you are earning your livelihood somewhere, so we won't be putting a hurdle on that. You don't worry, just give that application. Give the application to Pawan sir
Work with the company.
or me, huh? Yeah, you can go.
Absolutely.
You can definitely start
Now
working.
only we can write the acknowledgement, we can submit it to now, sir.
Ah, fine. So give it to Pawan sir. Pawan sir will be in the office now. Third semester, sir. They have completed third now, na?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Which is the session?
SCT, ISS, SI.
Pawan sir, Bhavana ma'am has also allowed now, so they will give an application.
Actually, Jayalika sir told that HOD sir will talk to sir some stuff like with Jayalika sir. We don't know what they want.
No, it's completely fine. You just go with Pawan sir, give the letter to Pawan sir also. Okay, and tell Bhavana ma'am also. The ma'am, tell Bhavana ma'am also that this happened, and sir has told us to give the application. She'll give her consent, and you just write the application
With
to
all
the head.
letters, sir.
With all details, just give it to Pawan sir. With offer letter also. That's
Thank
to
you
type.
so much.
No issues.
Thank you.
These were your seniors and they have been placed in one good company, but they won't be able to join us for the 4th semester regular classes. Na? So either
Okay,
they have
sir.
to leave.
Sir,
the
are
job.
they, sir, are there any during the fourth semester the classes will be taking place?
Huh?
So once
Again?
we got placed in any of the company,
See,
so
see, what we try to do is we try to speak to the company first that let the students have one more month. If they don't, see, it is a company, it is a third party, it is not the university. Na? If they don't allow, for example, so what would we prefer? We would prefer that we will compromise, but the students should not lose that opportunity to join. You got
what
that?
if the
Yes,
student
sir,
got
we got
placed in the during the second semester itself?
Second semester, you can't be placed at
Sir,
second
through
semester,
First
you get
semester, no,
placed.
sir.
Sir,
No,
off
if
campus.
second semester you get placed, the first and foremost condition with the company is that he has to complete 1.5 semesters.
Sir, if sir, right now I have applied for the GitHub internship.
Hmm.
So if I got selected, sir, will college help me?
Now, see, Aryan, if college is placing you, okay, then
Okay.
it is college's responsibility.
Sir, I am representing the college itself.
No. If college is placing you, there is a placement cell in the college. So
Okay, sir, no problem.
so whatever issues there are, they were resolved with the company. If the issues are with the department, for example, we were not allowing the students to join, so they will talk to us. So please do allow them, the students. Na? So there is a party that is there in the university that helps you out for the placement. How many of you have opted for placement in
Sir.
general, in SCT and ISMS?
So right now we don't have any placements, but I have applied through
नहीं,
off
opted
campus.
for placements. Opted for placements मतलब in general it is for everyone, na? Okay, yeah, we'll discuss that thing when you come here. Okay, we'll select only few students who want to go for the higher studies and other things, who don't want to get placed in the company. Then why these people should be bothered about all those things, huh? So we'll opt them out of that. Fine. Okay, let's continue with this. So we'll be selecting the items. Now we already understand this thing, that our highest weight was 5, for example. Sorry, our highest profit was 5. Okay, so that particular 5 we selected. Now we move towards the left, okay, and select 2. After that we move up again and select the 2 from that particular row where the this values do not meet. Okay, so this we are putting in binary. So we had the weights 3, we had the weight 4, we had the weight 5, we had the weight 6. So you will be making an X, that is the items that you are putting into the bag. Okay, so for initial purpose it will be 0 0 0 0. So there is nothing in the bag. Now we know that we are selecting this 5, right? And the element that was present here was 4. This is the element here is, what's the element here? 3. The element here is 4. Forgot? You didn't 5. You didn't check, na? You didn't practice. You didn't practice. I got that. And 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the weights, na? Okay. On those numbers. So this 5 we are selecting because it doesn't have a 5 on the top. So 4 item will be selected. So we'll be converting its index into 1. Okay, so this is not a 0 now, this is a 1 now. Okay, 1 item has been selected, that is 4. Okay. In the same way, when we will move towards the left and we find the difference, we find 2 here. Okay. Now, for example, the difference is 18. Understood? The difference was total difference was 5 minus the profit that we got from this was 3. Okay. So the difference was 2 only. Now, for example, the difference is 18 or the difference is 180 or something. How will you do it? You will go towards the left, okay, and find the minimal maximum value. The first lesser than value than the difference. For example, if it is 18 and you find 117 here, okay, you will select that 17. You can't select a 19, na? So 19 can't be selected. You will select a lesser than, but the immediate lesser that will be there. The first lesser value that will be there. So the difference here was, for example, 2. What was the difference? 2. Na? So we couldn't select 3. We couldn't select 3. We won't be able to select 3. So we will select 2. If it was 1 here, for example, if it was 1 here, so you will be selecting this one. Okay. Then you will be, for example, checking for above. Okay, so there was no one coming from above. You will select this one. Okay, now you selected this one. Then you will move towards the left. There won't be zeros here. There will be obviously ones again, huh? Because one difference is still there, na? Okay. Haan beta, somebody had raised their hand. Bacha log.
Excuse me, sir.
Haan beta, bolo.
Sir, can you please explain this, sir? I'm not able to understand this part.
Okay, let's change the example here. Okay, you understand this part. You understand this part, how we are going to show the values or not? We can repeat it again.
Yes, sir. Please repeat it again,
Okay,
sir.
so what we did yesterday. Don't come to college. Huh? There is too much noise here.
Construction, sir.
They are doing something, and every time this time we are getting this disturbance.
हम लोग आएंगे सर बंद हो
So
जाएगा
how
You people come and
22 will
stop,
be
huh?
offline, sir.
Huh? You people come offline and it will start. Huh? It will stop. Sorry, not start.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Now see what we are trying to do. This is nothing. Huh? Just delete it for now. Okay, delete it for now. Huh? Now let me consider. I am storing status of these weights. Okay, this is item 1. That's an apple. Okay, now I will give names to them. Okay, then apple. Then there is a mango. There is a watermelon. Okay. There is a chiku. Pineapple. Kiwi. Pineapple. Okay. Now we give names to them. So apple's weight is 3. Mango's weight is 4. Watermelon's weight is 5. Pineapple's weight is 6. So this is the profit. Now let's consider this is not the profit. This is the citrus value. Okay. This is the citrus value. So it is not necessary that we are talking about money only. It may be anything. Now you want the highest citrus value for your, for example, purchase. Okay. And your bag has a capacity of 8 kg. Okay. How much kg? 8 kg, right? The apple is of 3 kg. So the apple is of how much kgs? 3 kgs. Mango is of 4 kgs. And watermelon is of 5 kgs. And pineapple is of 6 kg. Now the citrus value that the apple gives is 2. The mango gives 3. Watermelon gives 1. Actually, it is making sense. And pineapple gives 4. It matched. So you want to lose weight and you want to take those fruits which have the highest citrus value. and in your bag you can carry total of 8 kg. Now the weight doesn't matter. What matters is how much citrus value you are getting, right? We defined this thing that already we selected, understood that the highest value that will be given for that citric acid will be 5. Okay, 5 milligram, 5 grams, whatever it may be. So we got that whole sorted out, understood that we will be getting the highest value, that will be 5. Now let's consider you have a notebook where you are putting the mark on what item you are actually purchasing. Okay, let me take this here. बच्चा लोग आप ध्यान रखना, just keep a view on what we are going to do. Okay, so this is 8 kg. We have the citrus value here of, and total capacity is 8 kg. Now this is our bag. Okay, this is our bag. Arohi,
Yes, sir.
keep a view on this, huh?
Okay, sir.
In our bag, is there an apple? Now we understand we are getting the value 5, and we understand that we are getting the item 4, that is mango, and we are getting the apple. We are taking the mango and apple. We got that because we are getting the profit 2 and 3. How will we represent it? We'll represent it in binary. Okay, yes or no? Is there an apple in your bag? Oh, so we are getting 1 apple, huh? Yes. Is there a mango in your bag? 3 and 4, na? So mango is also there. Okay. So now the question is there a watermelon there? Did we select 5?
No, sir.
No. So this is no, right? So the next question is there a pineapple there?
No, sir.
So pineapple is also not there. Okay. So this is your bag. Fine. In simple terms, if you replace this as binary, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, and this is 0. So we can simply say there is 1 apple in our bag, 1 mango in our bag, watermelon 0, pineapple 0. Or you can simply say apple, yes, mango, yes, watermelon, no, pineapple, no. That is what actually binary is, na? So this will be the way to represent binary, right? This is the way by which we represent whether we are taking these items or not. Okay. Now 100 items are there, so this will be a binary value, big binary value, huh? Binary set. Fine. You can represent it by this. You can represent it by yeses or no's. You can represent by anything. The issue with knapsack problem is that up to this knapsack problem gives you the highest value that you will get. So the solution for your program what you will be doing will be 5. This will be the output, but this 5 only. Nihar, your mic is on. He is not listening. Okay. So what knapsack algorithm will give you, knapsack program will give you, or algorithm will give you, it will give you the highest profit that you will be getting. Okay. How you are getting it? It is not its burden. Okay. The algorithm itself, it won't show how you will be getting the highest value. Which items you are going to select. It won't be showing that. Okay. So for that, we will be using backtracking. For backtracking, where you people had confusion, that's what are you saying actually? So let's take like this. If we change this example, no, let's not change this example. Let's make one more example here. For example, how much profit it is? 5, na? It is 5. Let's consider we had the calculation in such a way that our profit was and this is that one. 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. Okay, so let's consider our total profit was 10. How much was our total profit? Not 10, not like this. 5 will be there. Okay, so our total profit was 10, 5, 2. Not in this example, we can't show in this example. It would have changed all the values there. Okay, let me just show you an example here. Okay, let's consider we have a profit value of 10. Okay, we have the highest profit value of 10. Okay, now the highest profit value is of 10, for example. Okay, so there are items that are there, for example, item A, item B, item C, and item D. So 4 items are there. How many items are there now? 4 items. Okay, if I change this, let's see if you understand it by this, then it's fine. If not, then we will make the changes in the table also. It's completely fine. We don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's consider the weights are, for example, same, what we had earlier, 2, 3, 1, 4.
Sir, this is the profit or
Sorry,
weight?
profit, profit, na? Okay, profit. Let's keep the weights here like this: 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we are making the same, but we are not making the changes in the table right now. Okay, okay, fine. So these will be the values. Okay, now because the profit will be 10, something else has changed. The size of the bag would have obviously changed. Now we would have the bag that can carry more. Okay, now since we directly can't solve this. Okay, so I'm taking just a dummy example right now. Fine. So for example, the whole profit is 10. Okay, if the whole profit is 10, for example, I am selecting item number 4 as usual, that has the profit 3. So we are going from bottom to up now. We are going from bottom to up. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So all the items will be selected. So this will be equal to 10. The last will be 10. Okay, so it will check here. This will be the last row actually. Okay, so it will check here and it will select the item number 6. That item number 6 has a profit of 4. Item number 6 has a profit of 4. So it will select item number 6 also. So 4. How much profit is left? 10 minus
6.
10
minus 4, right?
6.
So that will be 10 minus 4. That will be equal to 6. Okay. Does any of the other items have a profit of 6? No. So it will see which one comes lesser than that, but greater than, but not here, not in it. It will see here. Okay, so it selected 10. It selected 10 now. Now it will go left side first. So it goes to the left side and it says 5. This is the lesser value. So it will go move up and it will move again up and it will see 5 here. The values won't be like this. The values would have changed. Okay, but I'm just giving an example. It will see 5 here. It will actually select this value. It won't be 5 here. It will be 2 perhaps.
On what basis you have to decide, like you have to go left and right?
If we selected the item, that particular, see, we selected 10 here. Okay, because 10 doesn't have a 10 on it.
On top of it.
So 10 is like 5. What we did earlier. See, we had a 5. What we checked, is it 5 on the top? Is it 5 on the top? Is it 5 on the top? No, 5 is not on the top. Here we will stop on this row and we will select the item there, right, with that particular weight. Simply in the same sense, it is 10, for example. Is there a 10 on the top? No. If there would have been a 10 on the top, then it would have moved up. Now we have selected 10, right, and we'll move towards the left. if this value, if the second value after it is less than the remaining profit, less than the remaining profit, the remaining profit is 6, it is less than the remaining profit, so we'll select this as a candidate. Okay, and we'll check this whether the top value is same or not. If it is not same, we go to left. If it is same, so
Sir?
we are going beta.
So what if the value, the profit is greater than the
Then
one
you
which
will
is
move,
remaining?
then you will move left always again. You will move left again, you will move left again, unless and until the
Till we
profit
get
becomes
that
less.
lesser. Okay, okay.
For
okay.
example, this is 8.
Hmm.
Okay, this is 8. I'm just changing the values now. Let's change these for a while. Okay, what was it? 5. Okay, so all the values will change. These values will change if we change the size of the bag here. Okay, so let's consider 5. Now 10, for item number 10, what is the profit?
6.
The weight is 6. Sorry,
Yeah.
the weight is 6 and the profit is 4. This is the profit. So we have 6 remaining. Now it will check on the left, it is 8. Again it will check on the left, it is 8. Again it will check on the left, it is 7. Then again it will check on the left, it is 5. 5 is lesser than remaining, so there is a candidate, we can check it for that. So it will check this and it will move up. If 5 is here, now 5 is here, it will be there. It will be there. It won't be selected two. Though 2 rows won't be selected once. Okay, so it will see 5 here, and after 5 we have 3, so it will select this row where this last 5 has appeared. So what is the item we are selecting? 5. So item 5 we are selecting, that is 5. What is the profit of 5? 1. So what is the profit remaining? 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So we have 5 profit left. Okay, 5 profit left, and we'll move back downwards. Okay, so we'll be getting a 3 here, not a 2, and we might be getting a 2 here, right? We'll be getting a 3 here. Now why am I changing these values? Because we'll have to move up to the top line. We are selecting actually all the 4 items for that weight, not all the 4 items. Now the profit is 10. So if the profit is 10, then it will be 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 4, that is 5, that is 10. So the bag size will be 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 18. The total bag size here will be 18. Okay, how you people will be thinking, sir, how did you calculate the bag size? You didn't understand how I calculated the bag size. What am I expecting my total profit is?
10.
How will I get that profit?
Adding every profit.
We have profits here, 2 plus 3, 5. How much profit I am left with? 1 and 4. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So I have to take all the items, If I am taking all the items, the bag size will be sum of the weights. So the bag size is 18. So there are shortcuts always. Yeah, I'll explain it again. So these are weights. These are the small weights. These are weights. This is my profit. Right? If I consider I am getting a profit of 10. This is my hypothesis. I am getting a profit of 10. So if my profit of 10 is there out of these profits, if I getting a profit of 7, for example, I'm getting a profit of 7. So 4 plus 3 or 4 plus 1 plus 2. These are the possible options that I have by which I can get the profit of 7. So I can select item number 4 is there always. So 6, then 5 and 3 for profit 7, or I can select item number 6 and 4 with profit 3 and 4. That will be also 7. Right? Now, if I am considering my profit is 10, what is the total profit that I could have? 10. Right? So I have to select all the items. I have to take all the items. Now, if I am taking all the items, then the size of my bag will be the size of these weights. Got it? So this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, and this will be 6. That will be total equal to 18 size. 18 will be the size of the knapsack. Okay. Up to this, it's fine. Understood? Okay. Now the point is here we reached on the 3, right? So 3 is here. Then there will be a 3 here. Okay. After that, there is no 3, right? Now there is no 3. What I'm going to do? I'm going to select the row where the last 3 appeared. So this row. What is the weight there or item number there that I'm picking? That is 4. So we'll be picking 4, right? Now what we picked? We picked 6, we picked 5, and we picked 4. So how we will be showing this in steps? Like this. This is your binary cell, right? The citrus value cell. Okay, this cell na?
तमिलनाडु के कुन्नूर में हुए MI-17 हेलीकॉप्टर दुर्घटना में जो अंतिम सर्वाइव
Yashosh, what are you people doing? Okay. Oh, I don't understand one thing of you people. Nah, everybody, every student, nah. I don't understand only one thing. The mic of only those people gets opened for either watching TV or outside somewhere. Huh? Those students who are actually keenly listening to the topics, their mics never get on.
Sir, my mic always on.
Huh?
Mine mic is always on, sir.
Yes, some people are there. I'm not saying, I'm saying on accident, na? On accident. Only those people's mic get on who don't want their mic to get on.
They want to show that they are roaming all around,
Karma, sir.
That might be the
enjoying their life.
They are not enjoying their life, my dear. They are losing a lot of it. You won't understand it yet. You people are feeling that enjoyment is in videos and all that, but okay, let it be. I'll go to the moral lectures. I don't want to go there. Let's complete the knapsack real quickly. Okay, so where are we? So what we did, we will take the binary cell for this. Are we? Just see, huh? Now what we are going to do for that binary cell, what we are going to do, we are going to see which item we are selecting. For this 10, right? This is the maximum profit that we could get. For this 10, we'll be checking what will be the profit of this row. So this row has a weight of 6, right? Weight of 6 and the profit is 4. So this 6 is at the place number 4. If I am working on the sequence, this is on place number 4. So I'll put the values like 0, 0 for the second also. For the third element also it is 0. And for the fourth element, yes, I am taking the fourth element. Okay, fourth element I am taking in the bag, right? Now this is my bag again. Same. Okay, beta. But you will write it separately. Huh? Got it? So this is my beta.
Sir, again, please, again.
No issues. Why are you saying please? Don't worry about it. Anybody who has any issues, just let me.
Sir, because sir, no, sir,
5,
honestly,
7,
I got
8,
a call
10.
and I just missed it.
No issues, no issues. Anybody else was also talking?
Sir.
Beta.
5, 7, 8, 8, 10, sir.
5, 7.
Have you changed the value, sir?
Here?
Yes, sir.
I just changed those
step,
values
sir.
there. See, if I make the knapsack of 18 kilos, na 18
Yes,
kilos
sir.
it will take, for example, then the values will change here.
Yes, sir.
These won't remain same. I'm getting the profit of 10. How would I reach to 10? I have to reach to a 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. That also I have to reach. So 9 will be also there. It won't be 8. It will be 9. But now for right now, when you are not practiced this or you are not practicing it right now. So until you practice, you won't be able to understand why I changed those values. When you start practicing, even a small change here, even a very small change here, if it is 4, if I convert it into 7, everything in this table will change with that small change. If I remove 1 and if I put profit 2, everything in the above table will change. Most of the values will change. Okay. So let's move again. What we are doing. So we are storing it in the binary values. Which of, for example, this is our bag and we are, was it from here? You missed the part. Rajshri?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So let's see again. Huh? So I have to select the items. Nah? So these are my items. Okay. So these are my items. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the items. Okay. Let's put 3 as bold and italic. 4 as bold and italic. These are the weights. Huh? What did I do here? Oh, it will select this also. What did I do? Something. Fine. So these are the weights of those items. So item number 1 has weight 3, item number 2 has weight 4, item number 3 has 5, and item number 4 has weight of 6. Right? So item number 1 has 3, has 4, has 5, and has 6. Apple, mango, watermelon, and pineapple. Right? In simple way. So what we do? We move from the highest profit. We move from the highest profit. We check whether on the top of it is same or not. If it would have been 10, then we would have moved here. Now it won't be 10 because I know this will be selected. Okay, so that's why I'm not putting 10 here. Remember that thing. Otherwise we could put in the example, but I have to select this row also because my knapsack is 18. Right? I have to select this value also now. So that's why I'm not moving this up. I'm keeping it here for now. Okay, so 10, for example, is the profit, maximum profit that we will be getting. Right now, if there is a same profit on the top of it, I won't be selecting this row. I will be moving top. Now there is 5, so we understand this is the last 10 we will encounter going up. Okay, so this last 10 row will be selected. Okay, the item that is there will be put into the bag. Okay, so which is the item? Item with the weight 6. So item with the weight 6 is pineapple. So we put pineapple in the bag. Huh? I'll make 2 here. Pineapple. So we put pineapple in the bag. But pineapple is at the position 4. Right? So the first 3 locations will be 0 or empty. Huh? We can say that also. We can keep this blank. There is nothing in those places. This place is empty yet, this place is empty yet, and this place is empty yet. Fine. Now 10 we have completed and we are moving down. This will be actually 9, but it's not 8, it will be 9. If you try this example also, if you try this example, the weights are there, the profits are there, the size of the knapsack is there. If you try this, then it will become 9. Huh? You people can see it will be 9 then. Okay, so it will be 9, and here also it will be 9. Okay, 9, 5 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, huh? 9. Okay, so this will be 9. Fine, this will be 9. The first 9 you encounter, you will check on the top of it whether it is there or not. If it is there, you will move 1 up. So we moved 1 up. Now on this, we'll select the same row, but it will be there. We won't be selecting two values because of the same. The table will be created in such a way. Already the values will be in such a way that, for example, for 10 you have selected this row. You won't be selecting the same row for 9. If something like that happens, that just understand that you have made some mistake in the preparing the table. Haan, beta.
So why we are adding 2 plus 3 plus 4? Why we are not adding 1 in that? From the profits?
Kya beta bol rahe ho?
Sir, I'm asking why we are adding 2 plus 3 plus 4. We are not adding 1 in that. So we get the profit of 9 now?
See. Why? This is 10, na?
Yes, sir.
I have already considered that condition. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. Yeah. That is equal to 10. So that condition is already considered. So which is the next least possible profit that we can get? Okay. We will just decrease it by 1.
Okay, got it.
So we are reaching on 9. When it will be 9, what will be the next least possible profit that we will be getting? It will be 8.
8, sorry. Yeah.
8, na? 3 plus 1 and 4. So it will be 8. The next least possible will be 7. 4 plus 3 or 4 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2 plus 1. These two possibilities are there. Okay. So we'll be moving one step down. When you will create this table, when you will create this complete table, you don't need to worry about what will be the values here in this table. These values will come by itself when you will be creating it, right? So if these values are there, then it's completely easy. You won't have to guess what should be it. You won't be calculating it from here. I'm just calculating it from here because I have a little experience of this. So I know what will be the value. Otherwise, you don't need to worry about it. Will it be 9? If we do it like this, it will make some mistakes. Okay. It's 4 values right now. It may be 8 values. In that, I won't be able to grasp each and every lesser profit. So we see 9 and we move up. Now 9 is also there. We stay here and we ask whether there is a 9 on the top. There is a 5. It's not a 9. So we'll come back. Okay. This is not our friendly environment. This is somebody else. Okay. We don't want to go there. We want to come back to our home. Okay. We come to our home and we see what is on the door. On the door we have 5. So item number 5 is item that has weight 5 is watermelon. Okay. So we are getting watermelon also. Okay. We got watermelon also, right? Same thing if I represent in binary. Same thing if I represent in binary, I will simply say my bag is empty now, but there is no empty here. There is either 0 or 1, right? For first condition, it will be 0, 0, 0. So this 0 is pineapple. This 0 is watermelon. This 0 is mango and this 0 is apple. Now we have pineapple here. I'll convert this 0 into 1. Then we have watermelon here. This 0 will be converted into 1. Settle now. We are working on it. We have not completed. So we are moving down. So now 9 is there. Okay. What is the profit we are getting? This is weight. The item we are getting is 5. 5. What is the profit we are getting? 1. Earlier we got the profit of from 6. We got the profit of 4. So it was 10 minus 4. That was equal to 6. Now we have 6 minus 1. That will be equal to 5. Right? So how much profit is still left? 5. From these two items, we got one profit of 4 and one profit of 1. So we got a total profit of 5. Right? We have a capacity in our bag still. How much kgs capacity is there in the bag? Now how much is left?
Sir, 7.
18 minus 5 minus 6. We have placed 2 items there in the bag. 18 minus 5 minus 6. So the capacity of bag that is with us is 7 now, because we have filled the bag half, more than half. Okay, got this? Okay, fine. Now we'll move from this 9. We'll move towards the next, right? Next value. Now, for example, these are the values that are, for example, more. We have the profit of 5 that is left. So this value may be, for example, 8. This value may be, for example, 6. Beta. It's fine. It's fine. Oh no, you could have submitted it to Pawan sir also. It's completely fine. No issues. No issues. I'll look into it.
Thank you so much.
You just do one thing, beta. Actually, you have called me, no?
Yes.
Who had called me? Class, beta. Just wait for 5-10 minutes more and we can talk. Sure. You can sit here. It's completely fine. I have your number. If anything arises, I'll give you a call. Okay? No issues. Okay. So we have got 1 and 1 for this. We know the bag capacity has decreased by the size of 5 and 6 now. Okay. And we have got the profit of 1 and 4. So 5 profit is left. Now let's consider there is a value 8. Okay, and there is a value 6. So these won't be the items that we will be picking. These won't be the rows that we will be picking. Why? Because we can only pick a profit of 5 now. So we'll move towards this cell. Okay, so it won't be a 5 here. It can be a 5 here. It can be also a 5 here. Okay, so this is a 5 here for it also. Okay, 3, then it will be a 3, for example. So we are seeing the value that is equal or less. So we see 5. Okay, 5 is fine, and we see whether there is a value on the top of it or not. There will be a value on the top of it. It will be 5, and after this there won't be a value because we can't go up. We have to select this row. Okay, so 5 will be there, and we are selecting the item from that row. The item that we are selecting is 4 of weight 4. Okay, so that's a mango whose weight is 4 and whose profit is 3. So how much profit are we left with? 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So this is the profit that we are left with, right? Fine. Now what we are putting in the set or in the bag? Mango. Now if we have put mango in the bag, so we simply can say that this 0 will convert into 1. Now this 0 has converted into 1. Okay, now where were we? At here. Sorry, here. Where were
This side 3.
This side 3. Where side 3? Is pen, so it should not be 3 here. It should not be 3 here. It could have been 2 or something else. It should not have been 3 here, and it should be 2 here.
Sir.
Beta.
Some break, sir. Continuous, sir, from morning.
क्या हुआ बेटा?
Sir, there is no lunch break only, sir.
तो कहाँ से lunch break नहीं है? अच्छा, you people had math class and you didn't have.
Yes,
just give me five more minutes and we'll wind it up. Okay, the program is settled there.
Morning also, sir. That OS class, it has been extended. There is that time also 5 minutes break. That's all, sir. Sir, continuously online class they are taking.
Sir.
So we have a class till 6:30, sir.
Again, see.
Okay.
9:30 also.
Okay. Well, just wind up and I'll give you some breather. You take some time and then join Tajamul sir's class. Okay. Now let's complete the 2-1. This one, last one. Right? This last 0 has to be set as 1, and after that you can obviously leave. Okay. So we are here and we selected this row because there was no 3 on the top of it. Okay. Now how much profit are we left with? 2. So from 3 we move towards the lesser value. We find 2. Okay. Now this 2 is not this profit. This 2 is not this profit. This is just a mapping.
Yes, sir. 5, and we write a 5, then we move towards, then we go 3 and outside the 3. You change.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. It can be 4 also here, not necessarily 5. It could have been 4 also. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It will be 5, but it could be 4 also. Okay. So 2, and we find a 2 above on the top row also. When we come here, and after that we want to go up again, and we ask it whether we can come. It says I don't know you. You are 2. I am 0. Just go back. So we go back and we select the weight of the item at that particular place. What's the weight of that item? 3. So what's the weight? Whose weight is 3? Apples. So we'll take the apple and put it in the bag. Right? Now we have put the apple also in the bag, and we can set this as 1. Rajshri, understood now?
Yes, sir. Totally.
Okay. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now it will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now if the total weight profit that I was thinking was only 9. Okay. Then watermelon wouldn't have been here. I won't be taking the watermelon because that's profit is 1. Okay. So this one space would have been empty. Okay. One space would have been empty, and this one would be 0. Got it? Oh, बच्चा लोग समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you people are that much tired, we can stop. Otherwise, I had kept the programs ready and it wasn't that much big program. 2 programs there were for the same dynamic one and the static one. It was the dynamic and it was the static dynamic, and the other one was the static program. This is the total function for knapsack. This much. See how much small it is?
Yes,
5
sir.
lines.
Yes, sir.
5 lines of code. 10 lines of code. It's okay. You can take rest. I don't want to overburden you, but I will have to take the attendance. Okay, but chalo, let me take the attendance, and after that you can have your lunch.
Yeah.
So we had lunch for you.
No, I already took lunch.
The special dish, sir.
Acha. Oh, I forgot that thing. That Dafla and Dogla are settled.
ढोकला खत्म हो गया सर.
Dokla and Epla.
2 दिन में उसमें लेके आई.
Oh, these people are also coming, na? What's their name?
काजल.
Kajal and that big name.
So, sir, Unnati is giving dhokla party.
Something like that. I don't know what she is going to give, but something she is giving. Let's see. On 22nd, I will tell you how was the experience. If it would be good, then I won't be sharing it. If it won't be good, then I'll make sure that you people also have it.
So you should try that, sir. Khandvi, sir.
Khandvi.
Gujarati dish, sir. Quite good to have.
You people know Kashmiri Vazwan?
Yes, sir.
कभी try
Kashmiri
कराओ तो पता चले.
Vazwan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you people are on the net now, na, just for the yeah, you can leave here. I've just taken that and just for the this.
Sir, we can leave, sir.
Dear. Just for the sake of interest,
language, no?
Search Google Chrome for Kashmiri Vazwan. Look at the images.
Sir, it's a
Kawa,
Kosur.
sir.
Everything.
Kashmiri kawa.
Kosur, no?
Kashmiri Kawa is just one small what we can say as
Tea kind of thing. The tea
not
kind of
Kahwa,
thing.
Vazwan. W-A-Z-W-A-N. Search that.
Sir, Gustava is also there.
Non-veg, sir. That dish.
There are most of the dishes are non-veg, obviously, but few of the dishes are veg also,
So
and very
you
good
should
veg.
try Sindhi
Paneer-
curry, sir. Sindhi curry. Mostly Sindhi food is famous for the taste.
Very good. Is it nice?
Nice to have, sir.
Nice to have, but the question is, how are we going to have? Okay.
सर कभी कश्मीरी टेस्ट भी ट्राई कराओ.
You have settled to give the Gujarati dish, huh? Come with that. Yeah, Kashmiri dish we can try sometimes. Sometime there is one. Shivam, you can leave if you want to.
My
There is
sister
one-
is there only. I would.
No, there is one
have
restaurant
one.
here in Bangalore. Sarposh. There is one restaurant by name of Sarposh here in Bangalore, that serves Kashmiri Vazwan. Although it won't be like that we cook at home.
सर थर्ड सेम सर लीव करके चलते हैं ना कश्मीरी.
हाँ बेटा.
लीव लेके कश्मीरी चलते हैं.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, मैं कुछ नहीं सुन रहा राजीव.
सर उसे कश्मीर जाना है सर.
अच्छा, you have to, just wait for now. It is too much cold there, not these days. After
Let's go to Kedar, sir. Kedar.
After 15th of this